Family members, friends and well-wishers have bid to late Micheal Okonkwo of Enugwu Ukwu Council area farewell. The burial ceremony of the deceased, who died at the young age of 34 in a ghastly military accident on the 24th of December 2022, took place at his father's compound at Enugwu village of Enugu Ukwu local government area. Correspondent David Ndife covered the event, taken from here.
Funeral service, which attracted people from all walks of life, including business associates and political office holders, commenced with a holy mass at St. Anthony's Catholic Church, Enugwu, officiated by the rector, St. John Bosco Seminary, Isuaniosha, Reverend Father Jude Mokwe, assisted by other visiting priests. In a homily, Reverend Father Ekene Eduzo, while describing the late Micheal as a responsible gentleman, charged Christians to be steadfast in their race and live a worthy life and be ready for the return of the Lord at any given time. He encouraged them to bear the loss with fortitude, having hope in the promise of resurrection, and prayed for the repose of his soul. Acknowledging the deceased as a respected personality, the Zenith Labour Party candidate for Dunukofia Federal House of Representatives, Barrister Valentine Anyeka, described the late Micheal as a hard-working and promising young man, describing his death as a great loss to the entire Enugwu community, and called on youths to be good ambassadors wherever they find themselves, and prayed for God to grant his soul eternal rest.
I'm here to commiserate the family who was a very young, promising man, for us to, pay him the last respect. And my prayer is that God will accept his soul.
In their separate speeches, the brothers and relatives of the deceased, Sir Anthony Okonkwo, Mr. Paul Okonkwo, and Mr. Obum Okonkwo of the ABS, portrayed their late brother as a peacemaker, a loving man whose passion for humanity and charity was unparalleled, lamenting that his death is a great loss to the family while wishing him eternal rest in the Lord.
Christmas na on Christmas goes the long way we are no bonus ihe mgbanwe obi na-ese n'ọnanya maka na nya bụ ọgwụ wepụrụ anyị n'ukwu ife na alụ ụlọ anyị n'ukwu mana ya ma nje na ọgụgụ Chukwu anyị were aka isi na-ayọzi ka Chukwu nabata mkpụrụ obi ya na ndụkwa na nesi.
For his former classmates at Community Secondary School Umwobu 2008 set, including Comrade Chinedu Nwana, the death of Onowu Nagana, as he was popularly called, has left an indelible mark in their hearts, and prayed for God to grant the family the fortitude to bear the loss. ABS OAP Mr. Onyekachukwu Ugochukwu led the ABS delegation of the Programs Department to pay condolences to the family. Some other dignitaries and groups that attended the funeral ceremony were Honorable Okechukwu Shibo, St. Anthony's Catholic Church Youth Association, Enugwu Youth Association, Umobu Women Association of Enugu and Umuada Imo Association of Enugu Wing, among others.